Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out Telegram on Android. So first open your Telegram app as you can see on your screen right now. And then next is tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. And once you tap that, tap on settings. Now here on settings, you'll find these options right here, but you can't actually see this lag out button right here. So to do that, you just tap these three dots at the top right corner, and there you find that lag out option. So we just tap right there. You can see alternative options, but this time I will just tap on lag out at the bottom, which just has the red highlighted letters. And then to confirm your action, just tap that lag out button. So that's it. That's how you basically lag out your account on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.